Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we are watching a video with over 7,000 views. Remember that subscribing is like putting money in the bank. Hit that subscribe button like I hit my button here. Hit that like button, if you agree. Okay. Clock is ticking. Holy Christ. Interesting. Wow. This is fucking epic. It is flowing nicely. Highly inappropriate. Fascinating. Smash like. That's interesting. Fabulous. Nice texture, reminds of something tropical. Awesome. I love my job. Looks like spider web. That looks volcanic. Unforgettable fountain. Greatest fountain. How should I react? This video is winning. No way. My heart is human, my brain IBM. Oh, for heaven's sake. Nice. Funny scene. Insane. Great. They must have scripted this video. God Almighty. Brilliant minds at work. I'm usually never wrong. Like if you agree. Well, you know. Good stuff. Over the top. Have you paid attention to that detail? It is looking great. Dear Father, who is, by the way, in heaven. Just give me a break. Seriously. Neat. That's neat. I fucking hope I was right this time. That's low, I mean view count. Subscribe to PewDiePie, yes, do it. Isn't that a little something? I watch videos all day long. If that's an instrument, I love it. Easy life. Isn't that a little something? You know. Let's get it trending. Good things coming through. Every details. Enough said. Great haircut. Do you know who that is? Come on. That's just nice. Is that some kind of stage? Let's see. Magnificent. Right. Holy cows. LG, I mean, life's good. It is like a movie. That's nice. Blessed cinema. I would like to be on a stage and sing a song. Another epic video has come to its end. Thanks guys. Remember to subscribe and share the video. See you next time.